Hello, I'm Mike Spalding, Resource Supervisor here at Yellowwood State Forest. I'm out here today on the Resource Management Trail to talk a little bit about the history of Yellowwood State Forest and a little bit about our forest management. Yellowwood got its beginnings through the federal government, who purchased land in Brown County from willing sellers. This was part of the Bean Blossom Land Utilization Project in the Resettlement Administration. They were buying submarginal farmland from willing sellers and assembling these parcels. That land was later leased to the state of Indiana as Yellowwood State Forest and eventually deeded to the state of Indiana. The land at that time was heavily cut over, burned, grazed, and interspersed with farm fields and fruit orchards. One thing that the forest had in common then with today, and even for the last thousands of years, is that they were dominated by an oak hickory overstory. The oak hickory overstory is so important because those trees are the keystone of our ecosystems here. Without those species and that species mix, we begin to lose the insects that depend on those, the birds that depend on those insects. What is different today than at that time or any time in the last several thousand years is that our understories are rapidly changing over. As you can see behind me, our understories are heavily dominated by other species, namely beech, sugar maple, and red maple. Restoration activities that can help this that we perform here at Yellowwood State Forest include timber harvests to keep the oak hickory overstory healthy, as well as forest stand improvement to remove some of these trees, and also prescribed fire, which helps to restore and maintain these ecosystems. As you'll see over here, this is an area which has been restored already, and you can see a little hickory has already responded from the filtered sunlight required of this species. So next time you're out on a hiking trail here at Yellowwood State Forest, take a look around and see how the understory has been changing, because we can do something about this, and we are. And if you take notice, I think you'll see what I'm talking about. Thank you very much.